Just pulled out of my house. I'm with Evan and we're on the way to the Sox game right now. YouTube, we're about to go in for the Sox game. You already know what's going on.
This is Ricky Go Wild. Go Wild part 8.
Part 8. 02 seat 6.
You know.
Got the beer and the beef. Let's go.
Sounds like there's nowhere to sit. Sorry, guys.
I'm in the bathroom right now. Everyone must almost just dropped my phone. Oh, shit. We're at the concert right now. It's lit. The concert just ended. It was dope. We're on the way to the car now. What's up, YouTube? It's Saturday now. The last night was lit at the Kaskade concert. Now we're going to the Soldier Field to see the Bears preseason versus the Chiefs. And then there's also a Pokemon event from 11 to 2, so we're going to hit some shinies.
Oh. Wait, is this the... Oh, is it down? Oh, it's down here.
I think that's it. Let's
like
go!
Got an hour.
Let's go! Bears game!
Here.
What's up, YouTube? We're rolling up to the Bears game right now with Evan, Kate, and Derek. They're playing the Kansas City Chiefs. We get to see Pat Mahomes play today. It's a Pokemon event right now. There's some shinies out. I already caught 3 shinies. Shiny Zigzagoon. Still those sexy Pokemon. My prediction is the Bears are gonna win. Bear down. They took your one vape, but not the best one.
I knew that was going to happen. Oh, the rest was the best.
Just chill here. Our seats are over here. We got some nosebleeds for cheap, but we're just chilling. We got the prime view.
I didn't want to pay him.
They're all cozy up here. These are the 4 souls still waiting in line. Okay, it's the 4th quarter. I'm running to the bathroom. The game's 16-14. The Bears are winning. Super fun. Love it. Might have spilled some shit on Evan, but who knows? That dude spilled a bunch of beer on Evan, but it's cool.
First and 10 for the Chiefs.
No one bought these hot dogs. They put them on a garbage and we grabbed them, so it's whatever.
The universe provides.
Alright, I just got my bag at Trader Joe's and I'm out. Yeah.
Chocolate and OJ.
You could totally skate on these ledges if you brought some wax. Let me see a kickflip. Alright, we just got back to the cars. It was a very good game. Bears win. Got some Trader Joe's snacks. Got some shiny Pokemon. Overall, today was a win. This is a whip.
On.
What's up, YouTube? It was a great day today. The Bears won. What can I say? I'm a happy guy. Thank you, everyone, for watching these videos. We got to 75 subscribers. Next, we're going to 100. Thank you. Drop a like, a comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Peace. Now we're driving to Woodfield Mall because Evan hit on a pair of Jordan 7s, so we'll keep you posted. Alright, so we're in the mall right now. Alright, we're pulling up the Foot Locker right now to get the shoes.
I'm a dog, leap like a frog, polywog, polyworld, caterpie, Blastoise, I keep a pee, that shit is moist, smoking on the pack like Charizard, char. These bitches think that I am so hard. Yeah.
Just left Foot Locker, now we're going in Champs. Gotta make sure they're real. Okay, so my phone died when I was at the mall earlier. I'll show you guys everything that went on, but I just went to Walmart and had to grab a few things. Alright, we got the Pokemon Go Elite Trainer box. Grab some sleeves, grab the deck box, grab the tin just in case. We're gonna see if we can get lucky. While I was at the mall, I also got this goodie bag, mystery bag. We're about to open it and see what is in here as well. Okay, I am about to start the box pulling. It will be on my Twitch, and I will post a live video to YouTube.